Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, Blue Pipsas. I welcome you guys to this new week. And I believe, and I so much believe that this week will be favorable to each and every one of us. So, this is the weekly outlook from our normal weekly setups. So, remember, we focus on JBP USD, USD JPY, gold, and a touch of BTC. BTC, which is our investment trade. And also remember, trading the financial market is highly volatile and is risky. So trade according to your risk parameter. So what I'm showing you now is totally my own point of view on the weekly outlook, or what I'm expecting the market to do for me to take a trade. So for JBP USD, what I'm expecting it to do is first, remember, JBP has been a downtrend market for a very long months now. So, but for this week, what are we doing this week? Because we are on a 4 hours time frame. What are we expecting JBP to do? So we have to pinpoint our significant or obvious highs. So look at our obvious highs here. So this is for the upper trend line. Then we will now go to our lower trend line so as to connect our obvious lows and significant lows or significant lows. So this is it for it. So what are we seeing here? It is crystal clear that JBP this week will be on a upper trend. It will be on a buy momentum than on a sell bias. So what we are actually expecting here is for us to buy JBP to this point. Then we will not take our profit and leave exit the market to this point. Let's say this particular area, that's 17,200. Then we'll not take our profit and exit. Then subsequently, we might analyze the market and look for our sell entry because originally JBP is on a downtrend. So now, how do we take our buy position? So we'll now move to 1 hour time frame so as to get our exactly price where we should be able to look out for an entry for our buy. So from here, we're expecting price to equally drop to this region because why am I expecting price to react at this region? If you can see here, we have a double top and a neckline here. I have a neckline here. So we, are, we should a neckline and we should expect price to react here to give us a discount so as to join it. But in a situation whereby price fell not to give us a discount, probably we should be expecting a breakout here. Then we'll not join the buyers. But left for me, I will just say each and every one of us should assess question. Wait for price to come back to come back to this point, this liquidity area where most stop loss are. Because before these people move the market, they have to come and clear early buyers. Those people that have been that are on those people that are on current buy, and those that have already tried stop their buy position to entry. So they need to come and clear them then before the massive movement comes. So, but if you've already taken the buy position, the only thing you need to do is to take either try stop your position or take partial profit. Then you allow the market to unfold. So this is for JBP USD. So let's move to USD JPY. Okay, guys. So we are done with JBP USD. So let's look into USD JPY for the week. So USD JPY for some months now, it has been buying, which show clearly that it has an upward trend because DSY, our dollar index, has been a strong index in the market for a very long period of time. So let's look at what we're expecting this week. Yeah, expecting this week. Then we'll now look for possible our possible two significant high. Like I told you, when you're drawing your trend line, what you should be looking at your first and second two significant highs to give you a appropriate touches. So from what we have here, we've gotten our upper trend. Then we are now looking for get our two significant low. Look at our first low here in forward. Look at our second low here. From here, you see that we have a ascending channel. We have an ascending channel for those people trading chart and pattern. This we call ascending channel. So what are we expecting from USDJPY? Remember, we have a resistance level here. This is something that you shouldn't ignore. A resistance level, a strong resistance level here. That price took off. So what we are expecting from this market for the week, we are expecting a possible drop to this zone. So once market gets to this zone, this resistance zone, what you will do is to take your profit and get out of the market. So we will not check, we will not wait patiently to see if market will break the zone and hit on this trend line. Then we'll wait for a possible retest under it. So it all depends on how the market reacts when we get to that zone. But till then, I will keep on updating us at each interval of time. So for now, look at what we're expecting. We're expecting JU to sell to this point. So our take profit should be around 144,600. This is about 3 to 400 pips movement. So this is that for JBP. Sorry, for USDJPY. All right, guys, we are done with our USDJPY. So now let's look into gold, one of the most volatile pair. So look at gold. And remember, gold too has a downward structure, downtrend. According to those people trading market structure, market structure is the major thing that you as a trader should know. Gold has what? A downward structure, which is also known as a downtrend. So let's quickly look at what we're expecting to happen this week. This is good. First and touch here. Okay. Um, we have our significant loss. Okay. So this is good. So what are we expecting this week? We're expecting we have a break. Okay. So let me reduce the size of this particular one so that it wouldn't confuse you guys. So we're expecting this is good. So this week we're expecting good to buy to this point. Remember we have a double top with a neckline. So we expect good. We expect good to buy to this point. So we are expecting good to buy to this point before we will now look for our possible sell entry. So from here, on good buy to this point, we will now look for our sell entry. But for this week, we're expecting gold to buy. So if we can equally go to 1 hour to see if we, where we should take our trade. Okay, we should expect price to get to this point. That's that's from 50, 16, 1652. But if left for me, look at where I would like to take this buy. I would like to take it here, where they will, where liquidities are. So I prefer waiting for gold to come to this end. Look onto this end. Then I will now look for my buy entry. But in all, what we are expecting this week on gold is a buy momentum. So they will come here to take the liquidity to make people believe that the market trend has changed. So they will now push it up for a possible buy. So this is this for gold. So we are expecting gold to buy to that point. So moving from here to here is almost going to 500 pips for a catch. So what you will do is to be patient and wait for a possible buy entry at that region. Yes, we are back to BTC, popularly known as Bitcoin. So BTC, we all know BTC is an investment trade. So we first of all move to our weekly time frame to know the possible direction of BTC. Yeah, yeah, yeah. People, that is BTC. Wow, wow, wow. This is BTC. BTC have been selling for long. So, what are we expecting here in the BTC? Let's first of all highlight our our resistance on support. Wow. So, what next again? Let's take our trend line, our major first significant high and low. Wow, 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 wow. So, but here, let me add. Sorry, guys. Let me just add this. So we can see on a weekly time frame, BTC is creating a downward descending channel. This is a descending channel, but there's something that you should know as a trader. Once price get to a key resistance level, there's tendency that the direction of the market will change. So I think the BS will leave the market at this particular zone because from here we can see a reversal pattern which is double bottom. Look at our first bottom, second bottom. This is double bottom. So there's a possibility that the market might reverse. This is our neckline. So what are we expecting from BTC? Because this is an investment trade. From weekly, what we're seeing here is there is every high tendency that price might break out of this descending channel. Price will break out of this descending channel. So we it might not happen. It might happen this week. It might not happen this week. But this is what my guts tells me. This is what I feel will happen in BTC for the rest of the year. So for week on a weekly time frame, I'm seeing more of bullish pressure on BTC than bearish pressure because of what? Because of this key resistant area. So let's move to our 4 hours time frame. This is an investment trade, so we need to be careful on the entry that we choose to pick the trade. So let's move to our 4 hours. So this is our 4 hours. It's our 4 hours. 4 hours. Sorry, sorry guys. Let me connect it with this first line. So our first touch, second touch, then third touch. So from 4 hours time frame, you notice what I just told you. Look at price. Price broke the 4 hours time frame, but on a weekly time frame, it has not broken it. So what we'll be expecting here is a possible drop to this point to clear early buyers. To clear early buyers, then a fast push up. So this is my breakdown to the neckline, which is there's every high tendency. This is the weekly neckline. There's every high tendency it will break this neckline and retest on top. But then till then, but from here, from this area, from this area to here is a good tips to catch. So once we get to this zone, we'll take profit and get out. So this for BTC. Thank you guys. I still remember your forest trader is a blue pips. So please like and comment, share to people that would like to get educational content about my YouTube channel. I really appreciate. Thank you for watching and thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for show of love. Thank you for sharing to people.